Infrastructure as a Service, the Google Compute Engine. In this video, we're going to see what Google Compute Engine is and what the features are of Compute Engine. Google Compute Engine delivers virtual machines running in Google's innovative data centers and worldwide fiber network. Compute Engine's tooling and workflow supports scaling from single instances to global, load-balanced cloud computing. Compute Engine's virtual machines boot quickly and come with persistent disk storage and deliver consistent performance. Their virtual servers are available in many configurations, including predefined sizes or the option to create custom machine types optimized for your specific needs. Flexible pricing and automatic sustained use discounts make Compute Engine the leader in price and performance. Compute Engine offers industry-leading price and performance because it boots quickly and has consistent performance. Compute Engine also offers industry-leading local SSD performance. Google bills in second-level increments, so you only pay for the compute time you use. With sustained use discounts, we automatically give you a discounted price for long-running workloads with no upfront commitment required. Create large compute clusters that benefit from strong and consistent cross-machine bandwidth. You can also connect to machines in other data centers and to other Google services using Google's private global fiber network. Create instance, check the network configs, and run some tests. You can resize your cluster, create machine images, virtualize your network, and use preemptible VMs for batch workloads and create custom machine types to optimize for your specific needs. Compute Engine offers predefined virtual machine configurations for every need, from micro-instances to instances with up to 160 virtual CPUs and 3.75 terabytes of memory. And of course, as mentioned before, you can create virtual machines with the shape that is right for you. By tailoring a custom machine type to your specific needs, you can realize significant savings. Network storage, up to 64 terabytes in size, can be attached to your virtual machine as a persistent disk. You can create persistent disks in HDD or SDD format. If a VM is terminated, its persistent disk retains data and can be attached to other instances. You can also take snapshots of your persistent disk and create new persistent disks from that snapshot. Compute Engine offers always-encrypted, local solid-state drives, block storage. Unlike standard persistent disks, local SSDs are physically attached to the server hosting the virtual machine instance, offering high input and output, and very low latency compared to persistent disks. Local SSD sizes up to 3 terabytes are available in any virtual machine with at least one virtual CPU. Our innovative data centers and live migration technologies enable proactive infrastructure maintenance, improving reliability and security. Your live VMs are automatically moved to nearby hosts, even if your VM is on extreme load, while underlying host machines undergo maintenance. There won't be any need to reboot your virtual machine due to host software updates, and even in some instances of hardware failure. Global load balancing technologies helps you distribute incoming requests across pools of instances across multiple regions, so you can achieve maximum performance, throughput, and availability at low cost. GCP offers a large collection of OSs that you can install on your virtual machines. You can also use shared images from the Google Cloud community or bring your own. Using Compute Engine, you can cost-effectively run large compute and batch jobs using preemptible virtual machines. Fixed pricing and no contracts or reservation make it easy. Simply check a box when you create your virtual machine and turn them off when the work is done. All data written to persistent disks in Compute Engine is encrypted on the fly and then transmitted and stored in encrypted form. Google Compute Engine has completed multiple security certifications, demonstrating our commitment to information security. And you can save a lot of costs using per second billing and of course the automatic discounts for sustained use. With committed use discounts, you can save up to 57%. With no upfront costs or instance type lock-in. Run, manage, and orchestrate containers on Compute Engine VMs with Kubernetes Engine.